In this video, we're going to go over how to add a new organization. You're going to click on the Business Engagement Tools, and then you're going to click on Organization Information. And then you're going to filter by grantee, and any organization that you have already added will be listed here. These can be filtered by number of entries per page. You can use the up and down arrows on the list to filter. So you can do that on each column header. And then you can also use the search bar to search to see if you have already added the organization. So in this case, I am searching for Rural King to see if we've already added it, and it looks like we have not. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add Organization. To start with, you're going to do a basic search. So go ahead and type in the organization name and the state and click Search. If I was doing this search and it did not show up in the list of results, and let's say I had searched even deeper, I had searched by city, I had searched by address, you would then use the Illinois Business Entity Search. I have detailed out in the instruction document how to use that tool to help find an organization if you're not finding it here in the basic search. I'm going to come down here because Rural King C LLC, the one in Mattoon, was what I was searching for in this demonstration. So I'm going to go ahead and click Select. I'm going to get the green Saved Successfully message up at the top right. I'm going to go ahead and search for rural. And now I can see that Rural King is now showing up in our organization list. I'm going to go ahead and click to open it. So now that you've added it, you can come in and edit or add information. So it'll give you a general map up at the top along with details about this organization. Then you can come down here and you can start completing each one of these sections. So the first section is occupations and development. So this would be any occupation that's being created with this organization. So you go ahead and click Add Occupation, and you can complete each field and click Save. And then organization contacts. This is where you would add any employee or person that you're speaking with at Rural King that you're working with at that company. So you can go ahead and put their first name, their last name, their title, their email address, and their phone number, and click Save. And once you do that, they will show up here in this list. Service team members. So this is going to be anyone from your office that is working with this organization. So you would click Add Team Member, and you can click this plus sign here or click the Select to add individuals who are working with this organization. Next, you can also add outreach events here that you're doing with this organization. So you would click Add Outreach Event. It has all the outreach definitions up at the top, and then you would complete the fields to add the outreach event. You can always add a follow-up note, or you can upload documents that are related to this event and click Save. Apprenticeships. To add an apprenticeship to this organization, you would click Add Apprenticeship and complete all of the fields and click Save. Then you can also select any of the boxes related to engagement employer services with this organization. And then finally, you can upload documents, again, here that are related to this organization, or you can also add a note So you would pick your case note type from the drop down, contact date, subject, comment, and then delivery message or delivery method, and then click save. So that is all of the basic sections that are completed after you add an organization. And then we're going to go ahead and return to the organization list. And then if you wanted to come in here and edit any of the organizations, you could just click on the organization and go in and add more information or more details as it is collected.